Hi guys, another item that caught my eye on Thingiverse. Had to print it twice. I didn't check it when I ran it through Ultimaker Cura to slice it up, and when I printed the file it was very thin and fell apart. So I don't know whether that was the default size or whether Ultimaker Cura resized it for any reason. It did that on another job I did just now. First time it had done it, automatically resized it. I didn't expect that. So I don't know if that's a new feature on Ultimaker Cura. Anyway, this is a dice, a 20-sided dice. I'll put a link in the video description to the original file on Thingiverse. Probably need to trim these up a little bit. I expect you need to know how to fold it to get it together. We'll see if we can work it out. The guy who designed it was quite proud of the work he'd done to actually get it to fold up right. So we'll find out. It should all clip together. As you can see, it's got these clips. Try not to cut my fingers. Never cut towards yourself. I will demonstrate what cutting towards yourself is. Right, will it fold without snapping? Because the ideal thing would have been to run a hairdryer over it or something just to soften it up again a little bit. Either that or do this as soon as it comes off the printer. That is very tempting to go and run a hairdryer over it. Or I suppose we could just try doing it this way first, and if it fails, do it again and use a hairdryer. So what's a 20-sided figure? Duodecagon? I've printed it with PLA. PLA does have a habit of being brittle when you're trying to bend it. So this might all end in tears. I have to go back and reprint it. And that bit clearly supposed to snap into there. I bet I got a bit of elephant's foot. Seem to be saying that on nearly every print at the moment, but I did actually go in and alter my settings to try and reduce that happening. You might be able to hear the washing machine in the background. Right, that's one is clipped in place. There's probably a sequence to do it and get it right. Oh, I really don't want to force it. This will be one of those ones where the last one will be the one that's almost impossible. You can't get your fingers inside to adjust it. Yeah, how are we going to do this? Those are the easy ones. Oh dear, I bet there's a sequence of operation to do it. So it all comes together at the same time. You know I'm going to have to do this off camera because it's all going to go wrong and I'm going to swear. That one's missed. Oh, there's no way you're going to get that in. Right, I'm going to have to use a screwdriver or something to adjust bits to get them to line up. We're nearly there. It hadn't even occurred to me how difficult this bit was going to be. Oh, we were there. We were there. It popped out. Well, for several minutes there, I didn't think we were going to do it, but we did it. Just adjusting all the bits, giving them a bit of a squeeze. There we are. A 20-sided dice. For those of you who play games that need a 20-sided dice. Or other people who are just fascinated by a 20-sided, whatever they're called. Polygon, that's it, isn't it? Poly, many-sided. Yeah, in the back of my mind, duodeca sounds right. Duo for 2 and deca for 10. So, but I expect somebody will tell me in the video description, video comments. So, just out of interest, 15 and 6 would be 21. 18 and 3, 21, yeah. Opposite sides add up to 21. 14 and 7, 21. 1, 20, 21. Yeah. Oh, you know, I'm actually rather pleased with that, especially that I actually managed to get it together without it shattering. Check the video description. There'll be a link to the guy's original Thingiverse file. Yeah, job done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.